Sink grid. Strong sink grid slides over divider to protect pots, pans, glassware, dishes, mugs, and sink from scratches and damage when washing and drying. Ideal for kitchen, bathroom, and laundry room sinks. Open design. The grid design prevents water from being trapped between the mat and sink wall. Stays in place. Sturdy suction cups stick to the sink wall and prevent the saddle from sliding around. Durable. Strong plastic construction with taupe finish designed to withstand years of use. Ideal size. Each saddle measures 11 by 11.95 by 0.12 to fit over most sink dividers. Keep your glassware safe with the iDesign Euro Sink Saddle Protector Mat. This saddle serves as a protector for your glassware, pots, and pans against the sink divider. It fits easily over the divider while bringing an elegant touch to your sink with its grid design and taupe color. The grid allows water to drain easily through the mat so your dishes can dry. It's designed to grip to the sink to prevent slipping. Measuring 11 by 11.95 by 0.12, the iDesign Euro Sink Saddle Protector Mat is the accessory you need to protect your sink and dishes. With iDesign by InterDesign, you can #live simply every day. Top reviews from the United States. Sink divider cover does its job well. We moved into a house that has a cast iron dual kitchen sink. I happen to be clumsy, less than 5 tall, and ended up breaking some of my coffee cups and dishes because I didn't pass over soapy dishes into the other side of the sink for rinsing high enough over the rim between the two sinks. This mat has been absolutely perfect for its function. It stays in place, keeps its shape and is sturdy enough to take my repeated bumping of pots and pans too.